Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, Geeking Out. Electronics, IoT, Teacher, Instructor, RD and Consulting. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Patreon, Intermediate. Patreon, Intermediate. Intermediate, Internet of Things, IoT. Internet of Things, IoT, describes devices with sensors, processing ability, software, and other technologies that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet or other communication networks. Internet of Things, IoT. Internet of Things, IoT, the vast array of physical objects equipped with sensors and software that enable them to interact with little human intervention by collecting and exchanging data via a network. The Internet of Things, IoT, includes the many smart, computer-like devices so commonplace today, which can connect with the Internet or interact via wireless networks. These things include phones, appliances, thermostats, lighting systems, irrigation systems, security cameras, vehicles, even animals and cities. Today, smartwatches track exercise and steps, smart speakers add items to shopping lists and switch lights on and off, and transponders allow cars to pass through toll booths and pay the fee electronically. Espressif Systems. Espressif Systems, a company with headquarters in Shanghai, China, made its debut in the microcontroller scene with a range of inexpensive and feature-packed Wi-Fi microcontrollers. ESP8266. The ESP8266 is a low-cost Wi-Fi microcontroller, with built-in TCP/IP networking software, and microcontroller capability. Programming. Arduino is C++-based firmware. With this core, the ESP8266 CPU and its Wi-Fi components can be programmed like any other Arduino device. ESP32. ESP32 is a series of low-cost, low-power system-on-chip microcontrollers with integrated Wi-Fi and dual-mode Bluetooth. The ESP32 series employs either Tensilica LX6 microprocessor in both dual-core and single-core variations, an Stensa LX7 dual-core microprocessor, or a single-core RISC-V microprocessor. Programming. Arduino, a C++-based firmware. With this core, Arduino core for the ESP32, ESP32S2, ESP32S3, ESP32C3, etc.
Patreon Intermediate here. This Internet of Thing. This before things the Arduino Uno here, but now same thing here, but this Wi-Fi here, no, this and this same range and perfect for this and same thing. This the here for experiment for Arduino here, and same thing Wi-Fi here. Me before the Bluetooth or this, no, because computer or laptop Wi-Fi in this before, no. So me search and be here, this computer or laptop and this, and me this back and forth, and this the pins here. So computer and this and back and forth. So good. Microsoft programming here and this here, Arduino here. So back and forth and proper. Now this Wi-Fi is good. This perfect for the ear and screen and this and display here. So it's good. This Linux and Python here. And after here, sports fun here, thing here, and the same thing this too. Perfect for programming here and back and forth for computer and back. So perfect. Expressive here, like same thing here. This expressive plus here, expressive here too. This expressive here and here plus here and pins and this and perfect here and screen. So this or this good for experiment and screen. So perfect. The Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So perfect. This here, the things. Now the project here, the button here and screen. So perfect. Pins here and tools here. Expressive plus here. Battery here and switch. Screen. LEDs and butts here. So perfect. This, the version and this library here, Arduino, LEDs and display here, butts here and this, and threshold, so back and forth. LEDs green and LEDs yellow here. Version, loops, butts, back and forth, and F seconds here. So perfect. This display here, this before this and intermediate here, and green and yellow for here. Puts here, value here, this green here and screen here, and same thing here. The setup here, the LEDs here and beginning here, and LED yellow and green here, and the screen here, version and this, and 5 seconds here. So perfect. This perfect, and after go to Wi-Fi and this after. Now the project here, the Arduino here, battery, switch, the screen here, butts here, and LEDs, yellow and green, and that's it. Arduino here, and after programming here, this here, the download, and here. So now this 2 or 3 minutes and see. Programming now, and now wait here. Now nothing here, wait for screen here. And now yes, and see here 1 minute. Now yeah is good. I think good here, and is good. And now the Arduino and here and perfect. Now the switch for here. This same thing here. And now the green switch here, LEDs here, green, and now puts here, and here nothing here, the here, and the here, green, and yellow. And that's it. This, the here, and this. So simple Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and see. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. Curriculum Vitae. Patreon. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram. TikTok.